Hello, my name is Emmanuel from New York, and here is my final project for CS50x called BibleVirst. The app was developed in Android Studio with Java, and I made this app out of pure interest with the hope of encouraging myself and others to read the Bible more. So what you're looking at is the home page. At the top is a random verse retrieved from an API, and below that are 3 buttons. The Save Verse button saves a random verse into the SQLite database held within the app, which can then be displayed on the verse bank fragment you can see in the bottom navigation bar on the far right. The New Verse button essentially gets a new verse from the same API, and the Chapter button takes the Bible reference from the random verse, then retrieves the whole chapter from another API that is then parsed and displayed. The last function on this page is the quick search, and it takes your input and searches the API for the verse, which it then displays in the same text view below it. Now moving on to the next fragment, or the read page, you'll see it has a different search feature which includes a combination of text fields and spinners, or drop-down text buttons. You can search verses faster this way. The spinner also changes to the verse the user has searched and displays it at the top. The arrows at the bottom allow the user to read the next chapter of the verse they have just searched. Now the last fragment, the verse bank, is where the saved verses are stored. You can also save the verses after searching them by clicking on the text, but you cannot save a whole chapter because that's just too much. If you want to unsave a verse, simply slide it to the left or right and it'll be gone. If you want to reset your verse bank, you can click on the red button, which will delete all the verses in the SQLite database. This was CS50x. God bless and Merry Christmas.